is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free.
사진을 찍어가면서 저쪽 편에는 이제 옛날 군산역을 이렇게 묘사를
What's up guys? Here I am at the old railway tracks in Kunsan where you could rent old traditional clothes and pose to your K-drama fantasies. Kicking off our first day of a 2-day trip, camping out here and checking out what Jeolla has to offer. Anyways, it's gonna be a jam-packed day where you'll see some old familiar faces, lots of activities, so let's get going.
You're not going to hear my bad Korean.
No, I'm just showing Paul making friends here.
Over.
Yeah. The know-hows of an Instagrammer. You're supposed to turn your phone upside down. It makes your legs look longer and
Stop telling everybody to tell.
yeah. You use the super wide angle on the iPhone because it distorts it. By the way, you got familiar faces here. Leah na Korea, Le Anton.
Yeah.
And Marie is over there posing as usual. Marie.
I'm back on your
Yeah.
Instagram.
Really happy to have you. This woman's so busy getting her thesis done.
Still not done.
Yeah. It's not, I don't want to be a model. I am a model. Well, based on a brief survey, it seems like foreigners like jjajangmyeon. You made the right choice.
It smells really good.
You like it better than sausages?
Nothing is better than sausage.
Ah, firm sausages are the best.
짬뽕이요.
네, 이거 주세요, 이거.
네, 많이 드세요.
And although
짬뽕 하나 더.
jjajang guy in
없어요.
Kunsan, you have to try the jampong. Whoa, oh, there's so much seafood. I don't know how to navigate through all this. Oh my gosh, look at all the shrimp and the squid and the mushrooms. Are you regretting the jjajangmyeon now? And we're seeing that they rolled in style. Wow, look at this. What is this bouginess? Alright guys, next up on our tour of Kunsan, we are here at the Kunsan Modern History Museum. And although I've been to Kunsan and I toured here for like a couple of days, I haven't been here. Cinder, what do you expect, man? Modern. Also, we got a very extensive explanation of Kunsan because apparently they can't do the tour guide inside the museum due to COVID situation. But basically, Kunsan about 100 years ago was the most modern city in Korea because the Japanese particularly renovated this area. There's almost 50% Japanese occupancy as Kunsan has the largest production of rice in all of Korea. So, because 50% of the rice was being shipped out to Japan during the colonization era, so a quarter of all of Korea's rice production, which was their main economy, was leaving the port here in Kunsan, and that is the history of Kunsan and why it's significant. So getting to tour around here, looking at all the Japanese colonial era history, and I think that's why it's called the Modern History Museum, as it's not so far back, hundreds and hundreds of years ago. But if you're talking about like American history, which is only like 100, 200 years old, it's pretty ancient, I guess. What do you think, Paul? You think the soldiers will like it? Could even control this ship. I can make it sail different ways. So interactive. Alright guys, on the third floor there is actually a recreation of an old Kunsan village with a theater. Hey, try to carry that. Oh, apparently this is what a majority of the Korean men did back in those days. Feel the pain of our ancestors, buddy. Well, what is she doing? Pole dancing. Oh, so this is an old school printing press. It seems like there's a bit of skill required.
You got the paper.
Alright. Well, that looks much better.
It looks the same. Oh yeah. Where did you get the paper?
Let's see how Marie's turns out. What? What? She's trashing it. I like rice fields better than looking at oceans. Alright guys, we're finally at the camping grounds where the festival is gonna happen. Are you excited, Paul?
Very nice. Actually.
Yeah, I feel very special. They got this whole thing rented out for us. Alright, we got our welcome package. We're gonna now join in on the event. Alright guys, so we finally got our team name set up, our slogan set up, and now it's time for the water fight. You're gonna lose! Let's go. Anthony.
각 팀에 한 분씩
Alright, we're gonna have a food contest.
하나 둘셋넷 다섯 여섯 일곱 시면 됩니다. 가위바위보. 됐어요. 아 멋지다. 남자다.
Finish playing a game where you have to drink some nasty stuff, and if you can, you win some prizes for your team. But right now, it's the most important one, where we're trying to win to decide which tent we sleep in. Only a couple of them have air conditioning. Well, we didn't win the quiz, so we're gonna be sleeping in a tent. But as a consolation prize, they give us a little choco pie. Here's a little choco pie, buddy. Have some! Ah. Alright guys, so we finally set up our tents. We got the worst tent setup, but it's still not that bad. Paul's pretty impressed with the charger there, available for his Tesla. We even got an electrical outlet going in. This is what they call glamping. But compared to this bungalow, look, they got like a little nest egg thing here. And then they got a room with air conditioning. They got a top floor, TV, and a restroom, it looks like.
예, 수시로 6시부터 진행이
Alright guys, action-packed day. I'm wearing a yellow hat to represent Untitled Province, Northern Jeolla Province. We're gonna cook their traditional food and go on a little cooking competition. I think we already won based on our outfit. Feel like a little German boy. Oh, the winner gets the peaches. We're now decorating this and trying to see who decorates it the best. And the guys made this. I think we should win and get the peaches. Yeah! Woo! We get the peaches! Oh! Imchu peaches are the best, right? What do you think about peaches? Very fast. Yeah, it's the best.
My favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a point for the outfit?
Leah's over there with Sunchan and the watermelons, but what? She went straight for the meat. What? I don't think that's cooked.
It is.
Is it? Oh, maybe they try the peach. Try the peach. Tell me that's not better than your watermelon. Oh yeah,
Okay,
that's a yes.
This is better from the fruit,
Yeah.
but my meat and everything is the best.
Oh no, we got the fondue, chicken, spicy.
Okay, so don't film mine. Don't film is the best.
No, I refuse to. Look. Okay, they do have good presentation points for the skewers. Yeah, that is pretty legit, but not as good as our spicy chicken fondue. Oh, looks like Kim Jae over there. They like some beef patties. Oh. Wow, and this is very unique in Iksan. Oh, I gotta try this one. Oh.
맛있죠?
네. 감사합니다.
요것도 한번 먹어볼래요?
Famous sweet potato thing that was in the quiz.
방고구마, 호박고구마, 자색고구마 세 가지가 섞어져 있는데
How do you like this paste?
It's like sour.
Oh, it's very unique.
Yeah.
It's like very wholesome food.
뭐죠?
Barley and stuff. Oh no, it's so unique.
어때요?
Alright.
어, 맛있어요.
맛있죠?
너무 건강한 것 같아요.
장이 아주 좋아요.
Okay. I gotta say, Iksan has the most unique food. And Cheonju, whoa. Overall, it's all good, but look where all the crowd is. They're at our booth. 와. 오, 맛있어요?
아, 그래요? 다都是拿去做的。
I actually have never heard of imchi, but now I think I'll go there. It's the best food. So they just asked me and Paul to model for this Korea tour card. I never knew about this, but when you come to Korea, you get like a T-money card to get on the subways and the buses. If you just get the Korea tour card version, you get a discount at like all the hotels and different attractions like the amusement parks. And it's a service that's only available just to foreigners. So I definitely recommend that you look into it. They said they're gonna send me more information. I'll try to find out about it myself because, yeah, that's like, why wouldn't I take advantage of free benefits available just to foreigners? Ah, so we're still not done. There's more cheese tour meals. Look at this. Now we're getting into string cheese. Now, something that Imshil wants us to know is that Imshil has had cheese for over 50 years. And although you might not think cheese is a traditional Korean dish, I mean, if it's been here for 50 years before even she was born, and they've sort of accepted it, Koreans love cheese, it's just as traditional as American that is born in Korea and lives all his life, 50 years, being a Korean as much as he is American. So that's what it is. Imchi cheese. It's a traditional food there. And I'm loving all the variety of it. It tastes fantastic. It's great and fresh. Alright, go for it. Oh, look at that.
셰프정. 셰프정. 박수. 감사합니다.
Cheese! Oh, so they're actually from the cheese theme park in Imshil, and they've even given us like a nice little gift bag. They really put a lot of work into promoting Imshil and letting us know about it. So behind they got the girl group dancing, but me and Paul, we came over here to get some makgeolli. Woo! 감사합니다. Cheers! Hashtag I can dance better. So now time for the award ceremony for the food competition. Creative award gets a box of masks. Very Corona relevant. We won! We got a Bluetooth mic. Karaoke time. Leah uploaded a TikTok video and won an award. Nice.
The next day.
That's probably the staff. Alright guys, second day out here. Gonna have breakfast at this Solangtang place before we head out to the beach and zipline. Solangtang it is. Yay! For breakfast we're gonna be joined by Bob from Laos and Notabut from Nepal. Alright, so we got here a bit early, so while we're waiting for them, doodled the masterpiece right there. Do you feel honored to have a masterpiece of mine engraved into your car? Alright guys, this is it! Fondue Zipline. I came here last time with Dad and I'm like, oh, I really want to do this. But it was under construction and now we get to do this as part of Kunsan's tour. We're all the way here on the 13th floor. We're gonna be ziplining. Freaking windy. I don't know if you can hear any of this, but I'm excited. Oh my gosh! I've been on many zip lines, but that must have been the best zip line experience ever and the longest. Everything's so safe, so secure. Highly recommend it. Are you excited?
That was fun.
That was like the best thing, huh?
I wanted to take out my hands, but like maybe.
I thought you said I want to take off my clothes. I'm so excited. Woo! Well, guys, not only do you have a fantastic ride, but this little island, it's like a walk through this pier. And you can connect with people. You never know who you're gonna meet on this bridge. Like my buddy right here. What's your name?
I'm Dimas.
Dimas. And he told me that he knows me because he watched my how to pass a driver's license test in Korea.
It's great. Thank you, Dad.
Hey, how do you like driving in Korea?
A lot.
Yeah.
I drive like in Fast and Furious. In highway.
Yeah,
No
this
problem
guy.
in the highway.
What? You drive like an M3 or something, right? This guy drives fast.
Yeah,
When the speed
yeah.
limit is only 90 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, right. But I drive last night almost 200.
Don't say anything
Yeah,
incriminating.
200 kilometers per hour.
I drive under the speed limit. That's what he's saying.
It's okay, no camera.
Yeah.
It's in
No
Korea.
camera.
There is no camera. You
No. Oh, hey, they're joining in. Oh, hey. Yes, my Nepalese and my Laotian friend. Woohoo!
That's how you play volleyball.
I gotta really give thanks to the city of Kunsan for hooking us up with some meal tickets, and we're gonna actually use it on ice cream because that's just how we roll. Alright guys, so one last round of souvenirs as a parting gift from Kunsan, and I just gotta really be appreciative of everything they've done. But I gotta say, I'm really excited to come back here and check out all these other places that we haven't been able to go to. As a matter of fact, I actually went to Kunsan way before and had a fantastic time here. Just didn't have time to edit the vlogs, but for the sake of Kunsan, their generosity and hospitality, I'll try to get those edited out to you. I can only assure you right now, having experienced Kunsan before, that it is definitely a place you want to check out if you come to Korea. Alright, that's what we're gonna eat, but we're gonna eat inside because she's just filming it there for Instagram purposes. It's much cooler in here. Ah, does that hit the spot or what? By the way, this is the second bingsu between me and Julia. Check out our other video where we do a eat along in a traditional market. And I think you'll enjoy our candid conversations and Chinese learning and Portuguese learning with my Brazilian sensation. Yeah, whatever the case, I'm just gonna wrap it up here. It's just been a fantastic weekend. Alright, Kay, I'm fascinated with animals, says Leah. I'm the Brazilian crocodile fighter.
What?
Screw the outbacks. The Amazon is more wild with wilder crocodiles. I'm the Brazilian from down under, the real down under.